Hey man, there's a moment that every woman who walked away from a high-value man eventually faces. It doesn't announce itself. It sneaks in, quiet, heavy, uninvited. She might be 3 drinks deep at a friend's party, forcing laughter at a joke that isn't funny. She might be lying in bed at 2 a.m., thumb hovering over your name. She might be sitting across from a new man who checks every box on paper and feeling absolutely nothing. That's when it hits her, that cold sinking weight. I lost him, and I'm never getting him back. This isn't about missing just any man. This is about realizing she threw away something rare, something she took for granted, something she didn't fully see until it was gone. By the end of this, you will understand every phase of her psychological descent, the comparison trap, the obsession she can't shake, and why your silence becomes the most powerful force in her life. At first, she won't feel it. She tells herself the comfortable lies. I made the right choice. I deserve better. She throws herself into distraction, new conversations, new attention, new faces that make her feel desired without requiring anything real. She posts more on social media, says yes to every invitation, fills her calendar so tightly that silence never has a chance to speak. And for a while, it works. The dopamine from fresh male attention creates a temporary high. She convinces herself she's thriving. Moving on. She might even believe she's forgotten you, but she's not healing. She's hiding. The distractions work until they don't. The attention works until she realizes it's hollow. The busyness works until she's alone with nothing but her thoughts. That's when the cracks begin. This is when the torture starts. She meets someone new. Maybe he's tall, successful, checks all the boxes. For a moment, she feels possibility. Then he opens his mouth. His confidence is performative. He's trying to impress her, and she can smell the effort. He texts too much, laughs at his own jokes, seeks her validation instead of commanding her respect. Something shifts inside her. She starts seeing what she was blind to before, that calm presence you carried, that refusal to chase her approval, that way you held silence without flinching. She thought those things were standard. Now she realizes they were the exception. Once a woman experiences a man with real masculine presence, her standards are permanently recalibrated. For every man after you is measured against a standard he doesn't even know exists, and he will fail every time. And here's where it gets psychologically devastating, because what happens next explains why she can't escape you no matter how hard she tries. Regret doesn't crash into a woman all at once. It seeps in slowly, like water through hairline cracks. Each disappointing date adds another drop. Each empty conversation adds another. Each man who fails to make her feel what you made her feel adds another. She starts remembering things she hadn't thought about in months. The way you stayed calm when she provoked you. The way you didn't crumble under her tests. The way you made her feel desired without needing her. This is when her mind starts running the dangerous loop. Maybe I overreacted. Maybe I threw away something I'll never find again. That loop doesn't stop. It plays during work, during dates, during quiet moments before sleep. The soundtrack she can't turn off. And here's the psychological twist. Her brain doesn't just remember you, it magnifies you. Every trait becomes enhanced. The fantasy version living in her mind becomes more intoxicating than the real thing ever was. Every man she meets is compared to this idealized ghost. That's a competition no one can win. Now stay with me, because what I'm about to describe is where her obsession moves from thought into action, and most men completely misread what's happening. It's in her quiet moments that you haunt her most. She scrolls through her camera roll and her breath catches on an old photo. She hears a song from a moment you shared and her stomach drops. She catches a cologne that reminds her of you, and it feels like a fist around her chest. These aren't accidents. They're emotional landmines her mind has planted. She starts seeing fragments of you in other men, a stranger with your jawline, someone with a sliver of your composure. Each resemblance only sharpens the absence, because none of them carry the whole package. Her social media becomes surveillance. She watches your stories instantly, analyzes your posts for clues, and if she sees you happy, sees you with another woman, jealousy, regret, and panic collide because it confirms her worst fear. You didn't need her to be whole. Her absence didn't break you. That realization cuts deeper than anything. This is the phase where she stops watching and starts making moves. What I'm about to tell you shows exactly how to recognize these moves for what they really are. When watching isn't enough, she starts reaching. A casual message, "Hey, how have you been?" A like on an old photo, a reaction to your story. These aren't innocent, they're probes, tests, calculated attempts to see if the door is still open. If those don't work, she escalates. Maybe advice only you can give. Maybe closure, which is never about closure. It's about reopening. Watch her carefully here. Her tone shifts from confident to uncertain. Messages come faster. Jokes feel forced. Compliments land with desperation she can't hide. She's not in control anymore. The story she wrote, where she decided when things ended, is no longer hers. You hold the final chapter. That power shift is eating her alive. Here's where most men make the fatal mistake that destroys everything they've built. Most men, the moment they see her softening, think they've won. She shows vulnerability. He rushes back in, opens the door wide, thinks finally she sees my value. That's exactly how you lose everything. Let her back too easily and you confirm what she suspected. You were waiting. You never moved on. The moment she realizes that, the dynamic snaps back. She's in control again. The winning move is counterintuitive, silence. Let her sit in discomfort, marinate in uncertainty. Imagine you with other women. Wonder if her window has closed. The longer she stays in that space, the more her mind attaches value to you. Scarcity creates desire. Unavailability creates obsession. When you engage, if you engage, it's on your terms. You decide the pace. You choose the investment level. Every time you show her she doesn't hold the same power, you're not just regaining control, you're becoming the man she'll never fully get over. Now let me show you the final stage, where her psychology shifts permanently and your position becomes untouchable. This is the breaking point. She's thrown everything at you, the tests, the vulnerability. Nothing worked. Your frame didn't crack. Your silence didn't break. That's when acceptance panic hits. She realizes, truly realizes, she might have lost you forever. You're not playing hard to get. You've actually moved on. Time warps. Every day without response feels like a week. She lives in the waiting room of your attention, refreshing her phone, searching for any sign you still think about her. Her pride dissolves. The woman who rolled her eyes at your affection now analyzes your every word. The woman who assumed you'd always be there is desperate to prove she's worth another chance. She rewrites history, minimizes the problems, maximizes the good, tells herself she destroyed the best thing she ever had, and she did. What I'm about to tell you is the final truth, the one that positions you as the man she'll never escape. Here's what most men never realize. Once a woman experiences a man who can fully detach, who doesn't crumble, doesn't chase, doesn't beg, she never forgets him. She might move on, marry someone else, build a life that looks complete, but you will live in her mind forever. Not as bitterness, as a standard, as the benchmark every future man gets measured against. She'll think about you when her new man disappoints her. Think about you in quiet moments for years to come, because you showed her something most men never do. Your self-respect was greater than your desire for her. Your peace wasn't dependent on her presence. You could walk away without looking back. The loss she's experiencing isn't just about missing you, it's about losing the version of herself she could only access with you. The excitement, the femininity you pulled out without trying, the way you made her feel alive in ways she couldn't manufacture alone. That loss doesn't fade. It lingers, it echoes. Whether she admits it or not, she'll carry the image of you forever. Calm, unbothered, untouchable. In a world where most men fold under pressure and sacrifice dignity for approval, you stood firm. You didn't chase, you didn't crumble. You became the man who can't be destroyed when she leaves. That's the kind of man she'll never truly get over. Her loss, your legacy. If this showed you something you needed to see, subscribe now. This channel exists to help you become the kind of man who doesn't just survive these situations, but thrives because of them. More videos like this are coming. The man you're building needs to see everyone. I'll see you in the next one.